girl. Yeah, it took her like, I don't know, a few minutes to bunt Kira for the first time. So it's really amazing that she went and bunted you right away. Good job. Good job. Here, it's over here. So 2 more like this, and then we can start adding switches. So try to like put your hand here. Like if she's coming from your right, put your right hand to your left. If she's coming from your left, put your left hand to your right. Good job. Yay, good deal. Okay, so now when she does it, just, start adding switches. 1, 2, 3, and then click and then treat. 1, 2, 3, click and treat. She just wanted you to keep petting her. Okay, just 2 like this, and then you can go on to the next level. She looks very like she wanted more pets. Yay, very good. Okay, so now you can scratch her 5 times. Good girl. She wanted more pets. Good girl. Purr. Oh, she's gonna come back for more pets.
You missed your treat though.
That's very good. You might want to try kind of more down here. She seems to like it anyway though. Like here, and you want to see if she's leaning into it for the 5 scratches. And if she does, then you can see if she does that 4 times in a row. You don't have to treat her anymore. You can try just like going like this and then doing the other side. And when she comes back to the other side, you pet her. You scratch her 5 times and then do the other side. And then if she keeps staying with you, that's pretty much the end. Oh, good girl. She likes petting a lot more than treats once she's your friend. Aww, good girl. Aww. And then she's like wants booty scratches. Good girl.